Hello, good morning. Actually, it's 6:45, something like that, and I am ready for my whole day trip. I'm going to Underground River. From Puerto Princesa, it's approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes by van or any car. So yeah, I'm going down and wait for my pickup. Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together. We are on a halfway through the river and we have actually really good group. It's 10 of us and yeah, it's so good. We have 15 minutes stop here. You can visit the restroom if you need. You can buy something and we have amazing view. Wait a second, I will show you. Wow, this is beautiful.
Okay, ready? Sa ilalim niya yung underground.
Parang alam mo ano siya, parang chocolate pizza pinag-ticket na.
Higante. Kasi sa chocolate hills, di ba, mga bilog naman.
Bilog naman po, ay higanting ano.
Higanting ano yan.
Ano yan?
Hershey's.
Oo, ayun din ako na-reject na mo ano.
Reject reject ng chocolate daw yan.
Chocolate chips.
Yung form niya yung iba. Ay iba ng form na ngayon. Hindi siya perfect yung pagkagawa ng mga chocolate na yan.
Ayun, parang sample.
Sample lang yan. Reject yan.
We are in first stop. If you want, you can go and see mangrove forest. It is actually in protected area. So it's actually reason why they have just this road like this. They can't build a normal road here. We are going on a tour.
The front now, we have a beautiful view for the mountains. Yeah, Giant Mountain. Sleeping Giant Mountain. Or St. Paul Subterranean River. That is for the cave, sir. So, good morning. Happy morning. Happy Monday morning. So, it's to take 35 minutes our activity and 1 kilometer. So, I will be on your guide, sir, on both mine. Christopher and Alma.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
So, sir, very quiet to appreciate the nature of the forest. For the kind of animals, sir, to you along the river, because they have 4 animals, this is lizard, sometimes to see monkey and for mangrove snakes.
What about the crocodiles?
How about crocodiles?
Not
sir?
here?
No.
Southern part.
We don't have crocodile here, sir. It's only a small lizard. It's not good if crocodile here because it's a danger for humans. We don't have crocodiles. So, this area, sir, totally, the mangrove is a part of the national park protected area. So, more animals, but we don't have to hunt the animals because it's included by the national park. So, mangrove paddle boat tour is one of the CBC project, community-based for sustainable tourism. Oh, we have for a couple snakes. Wow, it's to multiply. Nag-aasawahan?
They make love.
Sir, ma'am, because now is a month of February, it's a heart. February 14th, to lead the snakes, it's to heart. Love to each other. To show for another first types of the mangrove tree, it look like a fruits of pomelo. Here on the top, on the branch of the tree, the green color, it look like pomelo fruit. And look at for the trunks, they have some more small leaves. And we don't have a good smell. Yeah.
Yeah, there was another thing.
Another snakes. Oh, they have another snakes here, ma'am. I say, sir, ma'am, usually is one color of the snakes to show. But sometimes, sir, ma'am, to see for another kind of snakes. Sir, ma'am, that is our small crocodile. Because we don't have crocodile here.
We are already waiting for underground river. This is actually the waiting area here. 7 more boats is in front of us, which will take approximately 15-20 minutes. It is actually one of the 7 nature wonders of the world. It's probably the reason why it's really organized. They need to actually register you, so don't forget to take your passport or ID with you, because they need a picture of that. And I recommend to actually organize a whole tour. You can also buy just a ticket and come here with your motorbike or with your car and provide like everything by yourself, but then you need to do all this process by yourself. We have a tour guide, she is doing everything for us. It's hassle free. We just came here by one and that's it. We also have a lunch later on. I think sometimes it's better to pay a little bit extra. It wasn't like much. I think it difference between like organize everything by ourselves was 1,000 pesos, and with a tour it was 2,000 pesos, plus if we organize it by ourselves we need to rent a bike or car, which is extra money, and of course we need to pay for lunch or some food. We are almost ready to go. Boat 62. We are ready. Arrive. We can already see monkeys here. Be careful with your belongings. Wow, this is actually stunning. Oh, I love it. Underground river. We are here.
Tungkol yan sa post, i-PM mo ako. Ay! Pwede sa kabel?
Oh. It's again really hot and humid. We are going to pick up our helmet and then we are ready to go. Oh, we got helmets. Yeah. I looks like a builder but it's fine. We are walking a little bit and then we should have a boat around the river. Hello, monkey. So we will go into that cave. Wow. And we also got audio guide. I have in English. I'm not really sure which other languages they have. I think she mentioned Spanish, Chinese. Yeah, Filipinos, of course. We need to actually wait here for our second boat. The tour takes approximately 45 minutes inside the cave, and then we will again get the boat back to the port. We go inside, but we need to be quiet.
Usta zawrę.
finished our underground river tour, and I really like it. You will have lots of information in your audio, so you will learn a lot. I did not record everything because I want you to see it and your own eyes. Is really worth every single penny. I'm so glad we went. We are going back to the port. You have really good selection, and you can also order drinks if you want some drinks, or if you have any dietary requirement they can do something for you as well. They have some cakes, and it's really nice sitting area. There is also a shop if you want to buy something. And you can wash your hand, which is really important. I'm back from my today activity, and I need to tell you I actually love it. It was perfectly organized from start to finish. Everything was like really smooth, really easy. We did extra mangrove forest for 350 pesos, which was actually absolutely fine. And we love it, like whole day was perfect. Definitely recommend to do it. I think I will finish this video and I will give you some more advice what to do in Puerto Princesa in my later video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.